Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about diphthongs, which means double sound. Do you know the word diphthong originates from Greek word. It means to sound. Now let's learn some of them. O, ow, o, oi, ng, oi, o. I hope you guys love these sounds. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.